Well, that looked like fun. Here's the big snowstorm. You can really see it if you're coming up to the light. Ooh, it's cold. This is the beginning of the storm. Probably about a ½ inch on the ground right now, but in the last 10-15 minutes it really started to come down. Pretty Christmas lights across the street. You see it's starting to build up on the car. I'll have to come back. Check, there's the mailbox. Well, you can see the snow drifts, even though there's not that much snow. Seems to be sticking on the roof pretty good.